Seat Ateca 2016 automatic transmission, 2-liter diesel engine. It has a glass roof, you can open it. "19-inch wheels." It has LED lights here, LED here in the front, fog lights, parking sensors, 360-degree cameras, because we have cameras on the mirrors also, headlight washer. We have another camera here. That's the camera. That's, I think, some lights. I'm not sure. We have decent room here for the legs. You can open this down. Some cup holders. I can pull that one also down for snowboard or something like that. Okay, you can pull this one and it comes down. The other part also comes down. Let's switch the lens, let's see how does this look. You can open and close this one. No biodiesel. You have AdBlue because it's Euro 6. That's injected into the exhaust to make it cleaner. We have air vents here. It's 4x4 and that's why we have this